Let's take a look at the spread syntax from ES6. Spread syntax allows an iterable, such as an array expression or string, to be expanded in places where 0 or more arguments or elements are expected, or an object expression to be expanded in places where 0 or more key value pairs are expected. Let's see what that looks like in code. So the goal we're going to have here is we're going to make two arrays. First array will hold 1, 2, and 3. And the second array will hold 4, 5, 6. We want to make an array that ends up looking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to leverage arrays push higher order function in order to make that happen. But let's see why that works with and without spread the way it does. So the first thing we're going to try is we're going to try first array dot push, and we're going to add the number 99. And then let's take a look at first array. So we get 1, 2, 3, and 99. So this works kind of how we expected it to with push. So instead of 99, let's push in second array. And so this time, what we want is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if that works. Well, this time we get 1, 2, 3, but then we push the entire array of 4, 5, 6 in. So what we actually need to do is we need to spread out the elements of the array into the push. And so thankfully, that's exactly what spread does. Is so if I use the ... syntax and a function that I'm calling, it does the opposite of rest. In this case, it spreads the elements into the function. It will spread 4, 5, 6 into push. So now if we run this code, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one array like we wanted. It's great. So the only other example we're going to have for spread is we're going to make we're going to have an array of numbers. Nine, 4, 1, 108. And the objective we're going to try to do here is we want to see the smallest number of the array. And so you could do this a number of different ways, right? You could loop through the array, and if the element that you're currently on is lower than the lowest, then you make that the new lowest and you continue on through the loop. Everybody knows how to do that, right? But we should be able to leverage the built-in syntax of JavaScript with spread and some other higher order functions in order to do this without that painful loop, right? So the way you would accomplish this is I can do const lowest equals math.min, and I want to spread in the numbers that we have, and then I can just do this console.log lowest, because math.min takes in any number of arguments and it will tell you the lowest out of the ones you pass in, but it doesn't know how to deal with an array. So the way that I pass in my entire array is I spread my elements of the array into the math.min function. And I get 1.